Hey guys, hope you all are keeping safe. I never tried anything like this before. I'm gonna try it now. How would she react? My niece is in the kitchen and I'm going to call her and I'm going to behave as if her breath smells bad. But she doesn't have bad breath. So I'm going to behave as if her breath smells bad and see how she's going to react. If she's going to, curse me out or run go brush her teeth. So I'm going to see how she reacts. I'm going to call her into the room and then we can see how it goes. Please remember to like, comment and share. Subscribe to my channel on YouTube, alright? So come. Alright people, ready? Let me see if we can hide the camera. You see? Raw teeth. Alright. Raw teeth. Too much light. Perfect. Alright. Nine. Come here. What are you in there, though?
I'm going to find a job. I'm finding them.
What you is? For big like.
I feel no saying I know my nice now. Can you see a spot?
God. How smell so? Put that one there.
That one there. Hello, you pretty. So you're going so far?
You brush your teeth for a morning?
How you mean if I brush my teeth for a morning? Of course I brush my teeth for a morning.
You eat onion?
You look like somebody who eat onion.
Do your breath smell so? Papa, no, you have to do better than that. Your breath smell bad.
Man, I feel you smelling.
Which for me?
Look what they close to your nose. Your mouth. Man, I feel.
Your breath smell bad.
Me just brush my teeth. Me
Well,
just come out of the bathroom.
Well, go brush you again. No, sir. No, man. You have to do something about that, man.
You know, so me not like talk to you. Don't, me not see why bother show you nothing.
So you go. See how come
Well, if you can't tell me say me mouth think after me just done brush my teeth.
So I think before you brush your teeth?
You never think.
So
After me just done eat me brush my teeth. Me mouth not think.
So you have to go long so far? No,
Style, yeah, style. Don't.
So you go long so far?
Yeah, right.
Come here. Come here. Okay. Come here now.
Yeah.
Come here now. Come here. I just look, people me don't know if it work.
No run that move, man. Don't run that joke now with you.
No, sir. Hey, no nerve to dog me up.
After me just brush my teeth. Nah, me not even laugh.
Look here, me never know yesterday something fun for do. Look like me have to go do some more. Like me really need to go do some more. To some more people. Understand? Bye guys, bye.